Hello again, another day, another job. So we're going to fit that. So the procedure basically is support the engine, take the engine mount off, take the old belt off, put the new belt on, put the engine mount back on, and take the jack out from the engine. Simple. We shall see. Right, I'll apologise in advance for the wind. It is not very nice here today in sunny, not so sunny Glasgow, so aye, let's go, let's do this. See how quickly it takes. Jack is in place on the engine. So just very gently just go. That'll do. Again, sorry for the wind. Air filter bolts out. 7mm. And a torque. I'll take these 3 bolts out and then faff about in there and get that off. So just took that off. Just took it off. Wind noise again. There's all the bolts. And the bolts are an E14. Still doesn't help, doesn't it? No, I don't want to take that off because that's you then sliding onto the.
No, you can still take that off.
Aye, no, but that goes through the water pump or not, does it? No.
No, it doesn't go through the water pump. Water pumps get separate bolts.
Right, hold on. I'll see if I can get that tensioner out the road. Okay. Okay, so we finally got the belt off. Where is it? Up there?
Yeah.
Oh, aye. It's don't know how that's
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
This is all missing. That's all missing. It just, I don't get why it's the middle. I don't know.
That's a good bit, huh?
It's knackered anyway. Well, I got my money's worth out of it. It's done 121,000 miles, that belt. So, to slacken off the tensioner, because the nut kept slackening off, but you turn it clockwise, but you're actually better with the, quite difficult to show you, but you're better with the ratchet on that end there. Get on! See, it's calling me a liar now. And then push down on it for that side, and then it'll move up and down, up and down, up and down. Ugh. Right.
That's easy, but
This is where we get the new belt out and find out that the new belt's the wrong size. You hold that, point that down there. Right, try and get that. Oh, look, did you get that?
I don't know.
Right, on. And then I just pushed really hard down on there, and then up here like that, and then let go of the tension.
I think I got it that time.
Clunk!
Because I went closer.
Right, let's have a look. There we go. On. So just make sure it's on everything properly. It feels alright down there. And it looks okay down there. Right, so that's amazing. That only took 4 minutes. No. Right, let's get the engine mount back on. Right, you hold that.
Is it still going?
So, aye, it's still foaming, so you're holding the bonnet up.
I didn't get it, I bit the camera.
Because the wind blew the bonnet down, so it then proceeded to hit me in the heat.
Hey, he's noggin. I'm holding it up.
Try not to say any sweary words.
It's everything. He's
Try,
noggin.
I know, but I'm just saying try not to say any sweary words. Will ya?
kit for holding it and filming it.
Holding it and filming it. Holding it and filming it, making a mess of it. And if you see a bad word, then you've got to go beep. Right. I can't believe that guy's 80.
Seen him earlier on with the duck, now he's got the duck.
80 man, he's getting big in me. Oh no, wheel like that. Oh. See, that's not in the same place it was a minute ago.
Good day for hanging out and watching.
That one doesn't mind it. Why have you moved? Why have you moved? So I finally managed to get that back in by taking all it back off and starting again. And as I said, these are all the same size, E14s. There's not many people watch these because this motor's quite old, but anyway. So, Titan, Titan! Titan, Titan! Nice to see that moving about on that there. But that still isn't tightening up in the same place it was before.
Nobody did that.
See that?
No.
It's as if it's slightly out. As if the engine's needing to go back slightly. So, saying that, it's moving on the whole time. Oh, do you know what it is? That's what it is. Look. See it? Why would it be? You know what I'm like?
Because it's stretched.
No way, eh? If that would jack up, or something, I'd twist one up, very cracky in here. Is it doing it?
That's where the track is, it's trying to get with a bumper.
Take your finger. I just don't like the fact that this thing's
You know?
uh-huh. Yeah, I'll do it there. Still doesn't, that doesn't seem right. There it is a second. I'll be staying up in a wee minute. Cameraman can hold it. Right, I'll hold the bonnet with my shoulder, right, so that the wind doesn't blow it down and smack it me in the head.
Yeah, I've got it.
So I'm getting these torqued up, right? tighten that one in a minute. Right. Hit! Click! Hit! Click! Aye. Click! 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 Right.
Move the air filter.
Now for this horrible air filter that I had to go. Better take my cloth out.
It's really presses about with the air filter.
Get in! You horrible thing. Things in there. Come on. Right. It's
Little torque in there.
the torque in there. Don't know how much of this will hang out with the sun in it.
Aye.
It's shining on the screen. You can't see what's on the screen, and you can't see what you're doing. That just needs a wee click. Just a wee click. Right, where's my 7mm then? 7mm. One there. How I like to really slack things off, and then I want to get into the
On the camera
cloth cam. Right, there we go.
That's a wee horn right there.
Ta-da! Let's oh no! Oof! The cloth ran away. Jeez, oh man. Oh! Right, let's have a look, see. Can't believe the state that belt was on. We're running. Oh, look at that. Okay. Slack off the jack. And then we're all going over Roy's copper tea. Might take that bit of lid out. That lump of lid. That lump of lid. That one here. That plank. I'm pointing at you and calling you a plank. Got a right skirt on that. No, it's a flare board. There you go, that was the there you go, that was the fun and games of fitting an auxiliary drive belt. I did have to look at that. But the nut, if you put the ratchet on this side of the nut and pull down the way, it'll just slacken the nut off. I don't know, but put it on that way. So, things there, belts come round it, push it down that way. Don't try and pull it down that way, push it down that way. Oh well, right, I'm away. Thank you very much for your time and patience, and I hope the wind noise wasn't too much. And I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!